Welcome back to Learn English Anyways.
Today, we'll help you talk about your daily routine in English from morning to night.
And by the end, you'll sound natural and confident when someone asks, "What did you do today?"
Ready? Let's start your day in English.
So, Adam, what's your morning like?
Hmm, I usually wake up around 7. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and make coffee.
Simple and clear. Now it's your turn. Repeat after Adam.
I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I make coffee.
Great. See? That's simple English conversation you can use every day.
Jessica, what about you?
I usually wake up at 6:30 and stretch for a few minutes. Then I eat breakfast. Eggs and toast.
Nice and healthy. Repeat after Jessica slowly.
I wake up at 6:30. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
When you talk about your morning, use full sentences, not just words. Say, I brush my teeth, not brush teeth.
Right. Full sentences make your English sound fluent and natural.
Now, let's move to the afternoon.
After lunch, I usually go back to work and check my emails.
I often take a short break at 3, maybe tea or a small snack.
Listeners, your turn. Repeat these short sentences. I go back to work after lunch. I check my emails. I take a short break.
Good. And here's a question for you. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
Say it out loud, even if you're alone. That's how you practice everyday English conversation. The evening is for relaxing.
Yes. I come home around 6, eat dinner, and watch TV.
I like to read a book or listen to calming music before bed.
Repeat after us. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I read a book before bed.
Easy, right? The more you repeat these, the faster you build English speaking fluency.
Exactly. You don't need complicated grammar. You need daily English practice.
Today, you learned how to describe your day morning, afternoon, and evening.
You practice simple English conversation that helps you speak naturally in real life.
Now try this. Record yourself talking about your day. Then listen again tomorrow.
That's how fluency grows, one real sentence at a time.
If you enjoyed learning with us, tap subscribe. New English lessons every week.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of your day?
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning English.
Anyways,